In this lesson, we are going to build the creative foundation for your one-person AI marketing factory. That foundation is your brand visual style guide. This guide helps your AI tools understand how your brand should look and feel. It gives you a clear direction for things like colors, mood, lighting, composition, typography, product photos, lifestyle images, and overall design consistency. A lot of people start using AI by typing something simple like, create a beautiful product image for my brand. And yes, the result might look good. But it can also look generic. The style may not match the brand. After a few outputs, everything starts to feel inconsistent. That's why we start with a visual style guide. Before asking AI to create visuals, we need to define the creative direction first. What will this course help you build? This course is built around one simple idea. AI works better when your creative and marketing tasks are connected into a clear, repeatable workflow. As a solo creator or small brand owner, you may need to create visuals, write posts, design banners, plan content, schedule campaigns, contact partners, review results, and improve the next campaign. AI can help with all of that. But the workflow needs a strong foundation. And that foundation starts with your brand's visual language. In this course, you'll learn how to define your brand's visual direction, create AI product and lifestyle visuals, turn flat images into editable Canva designs, plan content, write SEO and AI search-friendly articles, build reusable templates, automate publishing, support outreach, and use analytics to improve future campaigns. Course roadmap. The course is divided into 4 main phases. Phase 1 is visual and brand foundation. You'll start by building your brand visual style guide. Then you use that guide to create product and lifestyle visuals with AI. After that, you'll learn how to turn flat designs into editable Canva assets, so your visuals can be reused more easily. Phase 2 is content strategy. You'll plan social media and blog content, create a 30-day content calendar, write SEO and AI search-friendly articles, and package your content into reusable brand templates. Phase 3 is automation. You'll set up a practical workspace for marketing operations. This includes content approval, Google Drive folders, Zapier workflows, scheduled publishing, and outreach support. Phase 4 is analytics and optimization. You use AI to read reports, find patterns, and improve future campaigns based on real data. Lesson 1 comes first because every later step becomes easier when your visual direction is clear. Why start with a visual style guide? AI tools are powerful, but they need useful context. If you type something like, make a skincare product photo, the AI still has to guess almost everything. It has to decide the mood, colors, lighting, background, camera angle, texture, and overall brand feeling. That's why the result often looks like a basic skincare ad. It may look clean and polished, but it probably won't feel very memorable. A stronger prompt gives AI a stronger starting point. For example, instead of asking for a simple product image, you can describe the brand clearly. You can explain that the brand is playful, glossy, Y2K inspired, full of soda pop glamour, retro internet nostalgia, and pop star energy. You can define the color palette, describe the lighting, explain the composition, or tell AI what to avoid. Now the output has a stronger personality. It feels more specific, more styled, and more connected to the brand. That is the purpose of the visual style guide. What is a visual style guide? A visual style guide is a short creative document that explains how your brand should look across marketing assets. A good style guide answers practical questions. Which colors should appear often? Which colors should be used carefully? Should the brand feel warm, calm, playful, dramatic, editorial, or clean? Should the background be minimal, textured, natural, studio-based, or lifestyle-focused? And which design choices should be avoided because they make the brand feel off? Once these choices are written down, you can reuse them across different tools. Creative mindset for this lesson. In this lesson, your role is to guide the creative direction. AI can help you explore ideas, organize references, analyze visuals, and turn your choices into reusable prompts. But the final direction should still come from your brand goals, your audience, and your taste. A simple way to think about the process is brand, audience, emotion, visual mood, color, composition, and output. For example, I want to make a retro-inspired makeup brand. The audience might be Gen Z women who enjoy expressive beauty, unique aesthetics, and collectible packaging. The emotion might be playful, nostalgic, confident, feminine, and creative. The visual mood could feel like a vintage beauty counter mixed with retro soda shop energy. Colors could include cherry red, velvet pink, cream, glossy black, pastel blue, and silver chrome. The composition could use close-up makeup shots, reflective surfaces, retro props, glossy textures, flash lighting, and playful editorial layouts. Now, AI has something clear to work with. And when you go into part 2, you will learn to get AI to brainstorm the style for you. You don't have to decide stuff like this from scratch. Tools you can use for this lesson, you can use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any AI assistant you already like. Choose one main AI assistant for the workflow. If your tool supports image input, you can upload visual references and ask AI to analyze them. Collect references from Pinterest, Behance, Instagram, or any place where you find strong visual inspiration. Then ask AI to identify the color palette, lighting, mood, composition, typography style, photography style, brand fit, and keywords you can use to recreate that direction. This gives you better language for future prompts, and better language leads to better outputs. What comes next? So in part 1, we covered a big picture. You now understand what this course helps you build, why the workflow starts with visual direction, what a visual style guide is, and how AI can support the creative process. In part 2, we'll move from overview to action. We'll go step by step through the process of creating your own brand visual style guide. By the end of part 2, you should have a working first version of your brand visual style guide. And you'll be able to use it in the next lesson to create product and lifestyle visuals with AI. That's it for the first part of today's lesson. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to AI Fire.